Hey my little learners, welcome back in your EVS class. So kids, have you any idea that what we are going to learn today? So let me tell you, in today's class we are going to learn something about birds. Before that, let me tell you that what are birds? Birds क्या होते हैं? Birds are those animals who have wings, feathers and beak. They can fly in the sky. Okay? जो उड़ सकते हैं वो एनिमल जो उड़ सकते हैं और जिनके पंख होते हैं उन्हें हम बर्ड्स कहते हैं. बर्ड्स लिव ऑन अ ट्री और द नेस्ट. वो या तो अपने बनाए हुए घोंसले में रहते हैं या तो ट्रीज पर रहते हैं. ओके, एंड यू नो किड्स, as we all are wearing clothes to protect ourselves, likewise birds also have feathers on their body to protect themselves from harsh weather. Now let's see some of the birds one by one. Which bird is this? This is a crow. C for crow. C for crow. And crow is black in color and it is very clever bird. Now see which bird is this? Have you ever seen this bird? Surely you did. This is so beautiful, isn't it? It has so beautiful feathers, colorful feathers. What is this? This is a peacock. P for peacock. And you know kids, it always dance when it's raining. ये जब भी बारिश होती है तो ये उसमें डांस करता है. It is the national bird of India. See? Which bird is this? It's a parrot. P for parrot. And you know, this is a pet bird. हम इसको अपने घर पे as a pet रखते हैं ना? क्यों रखते हैं? Because it's so beautiful. And you know, ये हमारी तरह बोल सकते हैं. They can talk like humans. So it is also very beautiful bird. See, which animal is this? Can you tell me which animal is this? Yes, you are absolutely right. This is a pigeon. P for pigeon. कबूतर. ये तो आपने जरूर देखा होगा. So it is grey in color and it eats seeds. Now which bird is this? It's a sparrow. S for sparrow. And it is so small. It is brown in color and it is so small and it eats seed with its tiny beak. Kids, see. Have you any idea that which bird is this? It's an ostrich. O for ostrich. Ostrich is one of the tallest and heaviest bird on this earth. And you know kids, ostrich cannot fly high but it can run very fast because of its long legs. इसकी टांगें बहुत लंबी होती हैं इसलिए ये बहुत ज्यादा तेज भागते हैं. It's so cute. Which bird is this? It's a penguin. P for penguin. They are black and white in color and looks very cute. And you know, ये हमेशा ठंडी जगह पर पाए जाते हैं. जहाँ पर भी बहुत सी ठंड होती है ये वहीं पर होते हैं. And they cannot fly. Which bird is this? It's an eagle. E for eagle. And it's very dangerous. And you know, इसकी eyesight बहुत तेज होती है. ये बहुत ही जल्दी शिकार कर लेते हैं और ये बहुत ऊंचाई तक उड़ सकते हैं. They can fly very high in the sky. So you see, we have so many birds. So now let's see how many birds we have discussed today. Crow, peacock, parrot, pigeon, sparrow, ostrich, penguin, and eagle. So you have to revise all these birds at your home. So that's all for today, kids. Hope you liked the video. We'll meet in our next class. Till then, bye-bye and take care.